Question 17. In 2011, Typhoon Nisat struck the Philippines and caused widespread flooding. After hitting the Philippines, Typhoon Nisat was predicted to hit the large city of Hanoi, Vietnam. So first of all, if you remember, a typhoon is another word for hurricane. Remember, they can be called typhoons, cyclones, and hurricanes. So it's a hurricane. Okay. Well, now we know that the hurricane here that's here. Okay, if Typhoon or Hurricane Nisat had continued along the same path, which development would most likely have reduced its strength before it hit Hanoi? How can we reduce the strength of a hurricane? Well, there's one way, or two ways actually. First way is it dies out over land. Because it loses all its moisture it's gained from the ocean, right? And the second way is it encounters cooler water, meaning lower than 80 degrees Fahrenheit. So less than 80 degrees Fahrenheit or less than 27 degrees Celsius. Alright, so let's see what answer choices do we have. Warm water moving into the sea east of Hanoi. Well, warm water would cause it to grow more or to gain more strength. Cool water moving to the, cool water would definitely do it. The formation of a low pressure has nothing to do with what's going to happen with this water-based storm, right? It forms over the water. And high pressure doesn't either, because it says a formation of high pressure. So our answer is cool ocean water will absolutely reduce its strength and let it die off.